Here's how you can block ads in Google Chrome and Firefox using Bye Bye Ads. Let's get into it. Bye Bye Ads is an extension you can get for Google Chrome and Firefox. This extension does quite a bit. It blocks ads, blocks trackers, it saves you time, and it saves you data. It also gives you detailed reports on ad blocking so you can stay up to date on what's happening. So, to download it and to start blocking ads on your device, you'll want to head over to the Google Chrome web store or head over to Firefox add-ons. So for me, I'm using Google Chrome, so I'll go over to the Chrome web store. To do that, you'll head over to the three dots on the right top corner of your Google Chrome screen. Go down to More Tools, go to Extensions. Go over to the top left or so with these three bars over here. Click that, head over to Open Chrome Web Store. There you'll want to search for Bye Bye Ads. Here it is, Bye Bye Ads, offered by buybyeads.org. You can head over there if you want more information about their service. So click that, has 2 ratings with 5 stars, productivity 10,000 plus users. And you'll see this button, Add to Chrome. If you still want more information on the service, you can scroll down and see some screenshots and various information about the extension. Scroll down more. You can see the version, the size of it. It's only 2.85 megabytes. It was updated December 31, 2021, and you can get an overview of what it does. As you'll see, it offers in-app purchases. This is available for free for 7 days. It's a free trial. Then, if you want to continue using the service, you'll need to pay $4.99 a month. If you choose to go with an annual plan, though, you only pay $34.99 a year, which equivalates to $2.92 a month, so you get a discount. Now you may be thinking, aren't there free ad blockers? And yes, that's the case. But here's the thing, not all other ad blockers show you detailed reports on the ad blocking. Not all ad blockers block trackers like this one does, so it may be worth your money. If you're worried about privacy practices, you can click on this button right here, and you can look at their privacy policy, and I would recommend doing that. It tells all about how they use your data for their service and how third-party services may use your data. As you'll see on the facts page, Bye Bye Ads does not share your personal information with other companies. The point is they don't sell your data, but they use your data to see how you use the service and to help run the service. And some other third-party / advertisers may install cookies or tracking devices. So check privacy policy, facts, and contact support if you're worried about privacy. So let's install it. We push Add to Chrome. It can read and change all your data on websites. So yes, it needs to block ads. It can also display notifications. Add extension, and we'll see it install. And here it opens up a new page. You'll click on this puzzle button right here to continue the setup. The page is now talking about their early bird offer. Get 65% off, buy it at $2.92 a month. Here's their different rates and trial. But let's head over to this puzzle icon. Click that, and you'll want to pin Bye Bye Ads so that you can see it. Now let's click Bye Bye Ads. So it's a big window. It shows a few different metrics. You can turn it off and on. It talks about the free trial and upgrading now. Let's head over to settings to see what we can do here. If you have a premium plan, you can activate it here. There are different ad blocking modes. So there's one called Advanced. It's on by default. Block ads, trackers, and harmful websites. Then there's a Stealth mode, which blocks trackers and harmful websites, but it allows ads. And it's disabled. You can turn it off completely if you want. Let's head back, and you can whitelist websites. You can do ad filtering, which uses various filters you can turn off or on. You can add your custom filter list here as well. And you can show time and data save if you are subscribed. So let's see how good this bad boy works. Let's head over to some websites to see how well this works. But first we'll have it off so we can see that it does have ads. So we'll go up here and we'll click this toggle to turn off ad blocking. Now let's head over to 9 to 5 Mac. As you can see, there's an ad right here. There's an ad right here. So the point is the website does have ads. Now let's turn on Bye Bye Ads. We'll go back over here, ad blocking mode, advanced. And now you'll need to refresh the page for changes to go into effect. And it's blocked 55 ads and trackers. 43 ads blocked, 12 trackers blocked. You can click on each one to see more metrics. And as you'll see in this corner right here, it says how many things have been blocked. And as you'll see, there are no ads once this has been refreshed. Pretty nice, it saves space, and there's no ads. Pretty sweet. It says how much has been blocked on this website. You can say view more stats, which we were just here. Now I'm going to disable it and go to youtube.com to see how the ad blocking works there. Here's a video right here. Let's click it. And as you see, there's an ad here, an ad up here, an ad over here. So let's turn on the ad blocker. Let's refresh the page. Now let's click on a video. Mr. Beast. And as you can see, there were no ads on this video, and you know Mr. Beast is a huge YouTuber, so he'd likely have ads on this video. There's no ads up here, so the point is, this ad blocker does work. That's cool. They have a little pop-up over here to see you blocking stuff in real time, but it is kind of annoying how it pops up, so you can just click it out of the way. It would be nice if there was a setting to keep that from popping up. So, as you saw, this ad blocker does a great job blocking ads. It blocked ads on YouTube.com, it blocked ads on the news website, so this does a great job. Great job, Bye Bye Ads, blocks well. You can also see quite a bit of data, how many trackers and ads blocked. Other ad blockers do that, but what this is above the rest is that you can see graphs and more specific details of how it's blocking ads and trackers. See, you can see ad blocking, and you can have a graph over time of how it's being used. You can see what's being blocked and how much is being blocked. And if you're subscribed, you can see how much time you've saved and how much data you've saved by using this ad blocker. So, great ad blocker, maybe very well worth your money. Sure, there are free ones out there, but nice thing about this is that it includes more data about how you're saving time and data, of how many ads you blocked, and what and how many trackers you've blocked. So, great ad blocker. It did a great job blocking, and I would recommend it if that's the kind of features you're looking for. Like I said, if you're worried about privacy, take a look at the privacy policy, and that'd be a great thing to look at. Take a look at the terms of use and facts, as you should with any service. If you choose to subscribe, it's $4.99 a month or $2.92 a month if you go for the yearly option. You can cancel or upgrade all in this extension. If you're subscribing, the plan will auto renew. If you let the trial be used up, you won't be charged. You'll just need to subscribe to continue using it. So it is a good ad blocker. It blocks ads well, and it has good features that some of you may be wanting. So for that, I would recommend it for those of you that are wanting these features. Thank you Bye Bye Ads for sponsoring this video. It's a good ad blocker, and enjoy it, guys. Those of you who decide to use it, enjoy.